Water is a very important and extremely scarce resource in the world. Humans love water, so we need to drink it. Um, we can't survive roughly about 3 days without water, so we need it. Companies like Nestle are pumping roughly 244 million gallons of water a year. That's not even factoring the other companies that pump water. The world is becoming drier as we know it, and so the question is, are multinational water companies abusing the legal rights to pump water aquifers anywhere on the planet? I believe that is a yes, because reasons being is that countries are becoming dry and experiencing heavy droughts than ever before. Percentages of the water usage of above and groundwater ran higher and higher also as the years go by. On the other hand, people need water, so we need to pump it. And also, multinational water companies have legal rights to pump wherever they please. This is a diagram of Lake Michigan showing you how water pumping works, and that Michigan is one of the states that is experiencing heavy droughts. Nestle walks in and pumps water from the lake aquifer and leaving the state drier. California is one of the major states which is where this is occurring, becoming a major issue. California is under a major drought in the largest period. It's in the largest dry period in the state's history. But Nestle is continuing to pump water from the canyon, the northern part of the state, leaving the water underneath the ground drier than ever before. These are counties in California where they gave companies legal authentication to pump water. This is the North Plain of China, where just southwest of Beijing, where they're pumping water. This plain produces over half the country's wheat and a third of its corn, and it's falling faster and faster than earlier reported. Overpumping has greatly depleted the shallow aquifer already, and is forcing drillers to return to the region's deep fossil aquifer, which is not replenishable. So we're pumping water that cannot be soon replenished. In India, this is also occurring in the country of Rajasthan, where overpumping leads to highly record droughts. This backs my second reason as to why this is true, is because the percentage of water above and ground is becoming more, is the reason why we are overpumping. This is a comparison between 1995 and 2025, where countries like North America and North Africa are experiencing some scarcity of water. In 2025, North America, North Africa, Asia, and Europe are all experiencing major water problems because of overpumping at the rate we're going. This is a diagram showing the comparison between the groundwater we use and the groundwater surface water we use. Surface water was highly used in 1941 in that time period, then it slowly became lower, and groundwater became more and more resourceful up until today in 2015 or 2014. This also backs my reason to why the population we pump more water than the population already have. The supposed opposition is that we need water, so we need to pump it. Only 97.5% of the world's water is salt water, so we need to pump more. Only 2.5% is fresh water, so yeah. This backs my other reason that we need to pump more water, is that there's only so little bit left, but we need it to survive because there's only 7 billion of us on the planet. And then my last reason is that companies have legal rights to pump wherever they please, so they can go wherever they want, whenever they want, and pump water. So that's my presentation. Thank you.